guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title, this is going to be a Nadine West unboxing. Okay, if you're not familiar with Nadine West, I'll leave down below my very first video. Basically, it's a clothing subscription service, and you go online, you fill out a style survey telling like if you like prints or stripes or florals, if you like dresses or not dresses, and you fill out like a whole style profile. And then every month, I think you can do it every 2 weeks too if you want. Mine's just every month. They send you a package, like a stylist gets on and reads your profile. Sorry, I'm in my dining room because the kids are upstairs asleep. It's almost midnight, so it's technically almost Mother's Day. Anyway, and then a stylist sends you a package every month. You pay for the shipping, and then what you pay for the shipping goes towards what you keep in the box or bag, pink package. And whatever you don't keep, if you don't like it, you don't pay for it. You put it back in here with the return address sticker that is inside, and you send it back. You only pay for what you want to keep, and what you paid for shipping goes towards that. I go fuller in depth on my first video. Usually when I get these, it takes me forever to film them, but this just came today. It was just on my doorstep today. And I'm so excited, that's why I had to do it. I'm tired, but I don't want to wait. I'm so excited. It's like my Mother's Day present or something. Come on. It's like the world's worst scissors, I swear. There we go. Yeah, it's like Christmas every time. So in here is the return address label. So you can just stick it on the pack to send your stuff back. And it always comes with a list. Oh my gosh. A list of what? It always comes with a list of what is in there, what it's called, and how much it is. Oh my gosh, what's in there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've never had 8 items before. Last month, I think I had 7. I've never had 8. Top, bottom, dress, earring, necklace, bracelet. Oh my, I always get so excited about these. I've always loved like everything that is coming. I told Jay today, I'm like, oh my god, this feels so heavy. I'm so excited. This is like huge. I don't know if there's like supposed to be a set amount that comes every month. So I have these 2 little bundles. They're always wrapped in pink paper. Wait, what? Oh my god, I'm so excited. The jewelry always comes in these little pink bags, so I usually take these out first. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited. I like to look at the paper, but then I don't because then I know what's in here. Okay, so there should be 3 little pink bags. Okay, so there's 3. I always start with the jewelry. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Okay, so here's those. We'll get to those in a second. So the first one in this little bag. Let's see. I swear it's like Christmas. Oh my gosh. I love Nadine West. Ooh. So this is by the brand Mode. What does it say? Chic Vogue Fashionable. Okay, so this is the bracelet. It says beaded accent in cream. It's $13.99. Look how pretty that is. Oh my gosh, and it looks small enough for my little wrists. Oh, cute. Uh-oh, I got hooked on the staple. I have never seen anything like this. Oh, it has like this little button. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here, look, it's these little beads, cream colored beads. Oh my gosh. So cute. I need another hand. Another hand to hook it. That is so cute. So cute. Sorry about this lighting. There we go. Is that better? Look how cute. It's just these cream colored beads. Oh, I love it. Like I said, that's the bracelet, and it's called the Beaded Accent, and it's in cream, and it's $13.99, and I friggin' love it. Oh my gosh, even like with like a t-shirt and jeans, just to dress you up a little bit. Oh, love it. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay. I always get so excited. I'm so tired, but I'm so excited. I love that. I literally love that. Okay, what's in this one? I love these. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. That's a super long necklace. Okay, so this is the necklace, and it's called Arrowhead Hover. And it's in silver, and it's $21.99. Look at that. It's like silver and gold. Oh my gosh. It's like a giant arrowhead. That is super long. But with this kind of clasp, you could make it as long or as short as you want. Right now it hangs down like to just like right above my belly button. But if you didn't want it that long, you could probably even double it. Oh, it's on my necklace. With this clasp, you could probably hook it into one of these smaller holes. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Maybe, maybe not. Will it go? Will it go? So I don't think it's gonna go. You might have to wear it long. Which is fine by me. I like long necklaces anyway. I mean, there is some play. Because you have like this whole length that you could make it shorter or longer, which is a couple inches. But yeah, so I love that. This is by Pomina. I don't know. I think that is super cool. Giant arrowhead necklace. So I love that. Did I hook it? Okay. So yeah, keeping that. That's a keeper. Okay, and then the next little bag. Oh my gosh, it matches. So this is the earrings, and they're called Linked Teardrop. And it says mixed. Look, they're kind of like, they're similar to like the shape, like upside down of arrowheads, and they're silver and gold. Do you see that? I like those too. I like those. Those are different. Super, super cute. And they have the long backs on them. I'm not going to try them on right now because if you've seen my other Nadine West videos, I always struggle to get my earrings in, and I don't have a mirror here. I'm in my dining room, so I don't have a mirror to put those in. Okay. Which one do I want to do first? They both have blacks, and this has like a... Oh, which one? Which one? Which one? Okay, we'll just go on with one. So they have this cute little sticker, Nadine West. If you're interested in checking it out, I have the link to the website below where you go on and fill out your style profile. So just click on that link in the description box and it'll take you to the website so you can fill out your style profile and just see what it's all about. Oh my gosh, what is this? What is this? What is this? Is this a... So this must be the dress. No, because it says the dress is in black. Oh, it must be a maxi skirt because it says bottom, maxed out is what it's called, and it's in burgundy. It's $20.99. So it's a maxi skirt. Because it says it's a bottom. Oh my gosh. I've never got a maxi skirt from there before. So here it is. It matches my curtains. Look at that. And here's the top of the skirt. You could probably roll it down. This is in size medium. It's the Zenana Premium. Oh my gosh, I love this. So it's a long skirt. I bet if you wanted, you could even wear it like a halter dress. Oh my gosh. I love it. I've gotten one dress. The first dress I got was last month, but it was not a long dress. Oh my gosh, I love this. I'm telling you, I love Nadine West. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Okay, so there's the maxi skirt, right? Bottom maxed out burgundy. Okay, okay. Ouch. Ooh, what is this? This is a bottom, and it's called Laces for Days in black, and it's $15.99. Look at these shorts. They're black shorts with the little lace at the bottom. Oh my gosh, these are the cutest things. And these are, what brand is this? Popular 21. These are so cute. They're like, what is that material? They're like a, I don't know. They're like a really soft, like silky thin material. And then it has the lace detail. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. I've never gotten shorts before either. So those are just wrinkles. There's not like texture or anything. They're just wrinkly. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I've never gotten shorts from them before. So once again, that is the Laces for Days in black, and they're $15.99. Okay. I'm trying to figure out what's what. Okay, so what's this? This is, okay, so this is a top, and it is called Back in the Day. It's red, and it's $19.99. I'm just trying to figure out what's what. Oh, cool. So it's like a red and black. You can see it up close. It has like the ripped neck. Oh my gosh. I thought it has like the ripped V-neck. No, it has the collar. I've never had a shirt like this before. What's it called? Back in the Day. So it has the collar. Like they have so many Victoria's Secret shirts out like this that have like the collar and then the cutout. Oh my gosh, and it's super, super soft. I am so, like, I can't. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this. Look at it with the red and the black. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Okay, so now I have this next little bundle. Oh my gosh. So pink. Okay. This top is called Seize the Day in pink, and it's $20.99. Look, it has like a little crisscross in the front and black stripes. Are you kidding? Look how cute. Oh my gosh, I love this too. Some people, like, they don't like anything that they get. It's like, maybe you need to change your profile, because everything I get is like spot on. I love everything that I get. So maybe what some people think they like, maybe they didn't answer their profile thing right. This is so cute. I am loving this. This is probably my favorite package so far. I'm not even kidding. Oh my gosh, I love that. Oh, it's so silky, like silky soft. Oh my gosh, and then my last thing, this is a dress. I can't even believe this. So I got, oh my god. So what is this? The dress. It's called Trixie, and it's in black, and it's $27.99. I can't. Shut up. It has the cold shoulder. It has the cold shoulder. I'm going to have to try all of this on. This again is a Zenana premium. This is size small. Like they say, everyone needs a little black dress. And now I have one. The lighting's making it look not black, but it is. It just has like a regular scoop neck. It has short sleeves with a cold shoulder cut out. Oh my gosh. And it goes down to like right above the knee. I'm gonna have to try all this stuff on. Yes, I'm gonna have to try all of this stuff on. So yeah, I will be back once I try it on. Okay, so here's the shirt. Don't mind my little bra lines. I need a new bra. I used to always get Victoria's Secret ones, and then I started getting cheap ones, and now you can like always see them. Anyway, this is the shirt. So it's like the red and black kind of mix. It has the neck. I'm trying to scoot back so you can see the whole thing. So it has like the little collar piece, and then like the ripped V-neck. These are the shorts. They're just black with a little lace detail. They tie with the string, and I think this is so cute. I love both of these. The shirt just fits great. See, it's a little bit longer, so it's not cropped or anything. Yeah, so I definitely like this. Okay, now on the paper this said, I just tucked my bra straps in. This said maxi skirt, but there's no way it has to be like a maxi dress, because if I put on like a skirt, it drags on the floor, and I'm like 5'6". So when I wear it as a dress, it's super cute and flowy, and it goes almost to my ankles. I think this is so cute. It's just like a deep burgundy, and it's not like super tight anywhere. It's just nice and loose and stretchy and flowy. Like I said, I just tucked my bra straps in. But I love this. Oh my gosh, I love this. So you can be cute and a little dressy and not have to worry about tan lines if you're like out at a cookout or whatever. Oh my gosh, I love this. I think it's so cute. Yes, I love it. Okay, so if I wore it as a skirt, like I have the top folded down like quite a bit, and I have it pulled up pretty high. And look, it's like dragging on the ground. I would totally trip on it. You can even see it. It's clear to the ground. So, I mean, I guess I could roll it up even more if I wanted to wear it like as a skirt. I don't know. So I guess it could be a skirt or like a maxi dress. However you would want to wear it. Obviously not with a shirt, but I just wanted to show you you could wear it as a skirt or a maxi dress. It said skirt on the paper, so. Okay, so there's that one. A piece you can wear two ways. Okay, here's the last shirt. Obviously I wouldn't wear a black bra underneath it. I would wear like nude or one that would blend in. But here's this shirt with the black stripes on the sleeve and then the crisscross on the chest. I love it. So it just dresses up a basic t-shirt with a little detail. It's super soft. It's stretchy. Yes. I think it's so cute. Like I said, not with this bra. But yes, I love it. I love baseball tees. And then with the extra detail, it's just so cute. It makes it a little girly. So I love this one too. Okay. Here is the black dress. So cute, because look, the sleeves look ruffly with the cutouts. And it comes like above the knee. It is like getting ready to store big time. It's so cute. Just a basic black dress with the cutouts, like with the necklace that came with it. Oh, it's still downstairs. But yes, I love this. It's so cute. I love how these look ruffly. Or how they are roughly. Oh my gosh, I love this. My hair is everywhere. I love this dress. I love this dress. And it's like flowy. Oh my god, I love it. So yes, I am keeping everything. I absolutely love everything.